Good morning. Today we will learn how to write a part program for step turning operation. Write down the program. Write part program to reduce the diameter of bar from 34 millimeter to 26 millimeter as shown in figure. Assume depth of cut 1 millimeter and length of workpiece is 140 millimeter. Here you have to perform the step turning operation as shown in figure. The raw material available is having diameter 34 millimeter and length 140 millimeter. As shown in figure, you have to perform the facing operation and plane turning operation to achieve the required shape of the component. Here you have to reduce the diameter from 34 millimeter to diameter 30 millimeter and diameter 26 millimeter over the length of 60 millimeter. Okay, means you have to study the job drawing. Then you have to find out the various dimensions of the component, various operations performed on the component, its sequence, which operation should be performed first, second, third, like that. Okay, in CNC lathe there are two axes, Z axis and X axis as shown in figure. Then to find the tool path or tool movement, first you have to decide the operations sequence. As shown in figure, we will perform first facing operation, then plane turning operation over the length of 140 millimeter, then plane turning operation over the length of 60 millimeter. Is it okay? As shown in figure. As it is mentioned in the problem, depth of cut is 1 millimeter. Means if you give the depth of cut 1 millimeter, the reduction in diameter is 2 millimeter. If the first depth of cut is given, the diameter reduced by 2 millimeter, then 34 to 32. Then second cut, you can achieve the diameter 30 millimeter. Then third cut, you can achieve the diameter 28, and in fourth cut you can achieve the diameter 46 over the length of 60 millimeter. Is it okay? Then to find the tool path or tool movement, you have to find out the coordinates or tool positions. As shown in figure, position A indicates machine home position. Then you have to move the tool to the starting point. Where means where you want to start the operation. That is, C is the starting point of the operation. That to perform the facing operation, C is the starting point, which having the coordinates 0, 0. It is also known as work 0. It is at the center of the workpiece. Then you have to move the tool from A to B. B is lying on the imaginary line, which is 2 millimeter away from the workpiece surface. Is it okay? It is 2 millimeter away from the workpiece surface. Then from B you have to move the tool to the point C, means it touches to the workpiece surface. From C to D to perform the facing operation. From D to E for plane turning operation. Here, after completing the first cut, you have to retract the tool away from the workpiece surface to avoid the scratch mark on the machine surface, that is point F, which is lying on the imaginary line, which having coordinates more than its workpiece diameter. Okay. From second cut, you have to move the tool from F to G, then G to H along the Z axis. Again retract the tool, move to the point F, then from point F to the next cut, that is I, from I to point J over the length of 60 millimeter. Then from J again retract the tool to the point F. From point F move to the next point, that is K. From K to perform the plane turning operation, move the tool along the L over the length of 60 millimeter. Then this is last cut, and then again move the tool to the point M, which is just away from the workpiece surface, so that you can easily remove the job from the chuck, that is point M. Again you have to move the tool to the home position, that is machine home position. These positions or locations of the tool are known as coordinates. That is it. These are the coordinates. Then you have to mention the tool path. Tool path means movement of the tool from A to the point again A. That is A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, H, again F, then I, J, again F, K, L, M, A. This is known as tool movements or tool path. Then you have to find out the coordinates of these two position of the tool. You have to prepare the table to find the coordinates. That is position A is x coordinates and z coordinates. Position A is a home position. Then point B having the coordinates 0, x coordinate is 0, z coordinates is 2. Point C having coordinates 0, 0. Point D, x coordinate is 32, x coordinate is 0. Then E, x coordinate is 32, z coordinate is minus 140. Then F, x coordinate is 36, z coordinate is 2. Then F 30, 02, H 30, minus 140, I 28, 2, J 20, 28, minus 60, K 26, 2, then I 26, minus 160, M 20, M 80, and Z coordinate is 80. There is a tool moves away from the workpiece surface. Thus you have to find out the coordinates. Then after finding the coordinates, you have to write the program according to your tool path. Then first you have to mention the program number. This is the program number 3. Then you have to write the various blocks, that is defining statements, machining statements, and closing statement. First 4 blocks are defining statement, that is block number N10, G28, U0, W0. U and W are the parallel axis with the X and Z axis. Okay, that is G28 indicates the machine home position. That is a code which is used for to indicate the machine home position G28. Next and end of the block. Next block N20. Here you have to write the define the program, that is in which format you are writing the program. That is G90 means you have to use absolute coordinate measuring system. G21 all the dimensions are millimeter, and G94 which indicates feed rate in millimeter per minute. Okay, then third block N30, you have to start the machine. Therefore you have to use the code, miscellaneous code M03. Spindle start in clockwise direction at speed 800 rpm. That's indicated by the S800. Spindle start in clockwise direction at 800 rpm, and M08 indicates coolant on. Is it okay? Then after starting the machine, you have to move the tool to the point B where you want to start the operation. That is first operation, fishing operation. So that you have to move the tool at point B with the rapid traverse. During the rapid traverse, which code is used? G00. In this mode, there is no machining operation. Tool will move in air. No material is removed. Okay, that is known as rapid traverse. And the feed rate used in this mode, whatever the maximum field rate available in that machine, that is utilized. So that in this block it is not necessary to mention the field rate. G, that is block number N40, G00, that is rapid traverse, X00, Z2. X00 and Z2, these are the coordinates of the point B. Okay, as shown in the coordinates in the table. Then you have to move the tool from point B to C, means tool touches to the workpiece surface. In that case, you have to use the code linear interpolation function, that is G01. You have to control the field rate when the tool touches to the workpiece surface. In that case, you have to use G01, that is block number 100, N100, G01, Z00, field rate is 200, F200, end of the block. Is it okay? Now tool is at position C. From C, you have to start the fishing operation up to the point D. Here you have to use linear interpolation function, that is G01. As G01 is a model function, G01 is the model function, it is not necessary to mention in the next block. It remains active until it is cancelled by the another core. So that in block number N60, you have to just mention the coordinates of the point D, that is X32, end of the block. During this block number 60, fishing operation is performed. Then from point D, you have to move the tool along the z-axis over the length of 140 to perform the plane turning operation up to the point E. Therefore, again you have to use G01. It is a modal function, just you have to mention the z coordinates of the point E to perform the plane turning operation, because x coordinates remain same, z minus 140, that is turning operation is performed. First turning operation is performed. Then N80, next block. Here, after performing the plane turning operation, you have to retract the tool from point E to the point EF to avoid the scratch mark on the machining surface. Okay. Therefore, you have to use rapid traverse. To save the cycle time or machining time, you have to use the rapid traverse, that is G00, and mention the F coordinates X36, Z2. Okay, this is a block number N80. Then you have to give the next cut. For that is block number N90, G01. What is the, after giving the first cut, what is the diameter? That is X30. Is it okay? X coordinate is 30. X30, F200. Here you have to control the field rate. So that you have to mention the field rate, F200, end of the block. In block number 120, you have to move the tool along the z-axis over the length of 140. Therefore, z minus 140. Is it okay? Then second plane turning operation is performed over the length of 140. Okay, means diameter is reduced from 34 to diameter 30 millimeter. Then you have to perform the step turning operation over the length of 60 millimeter. Okay, then move the tool, retract the tool from point H, move to the point F, that is G00, x36 z2, move to the tool to next point g01, that is next block 120 g01 x28 f200. Here middle in case of third cut, the diameter will be reduced by 28 by giving the depth of cut 1 millimeter. Is it okay? Then move to the tool along the z axis over the length of 60 millimeter, that is z minus 60, end of the block, that is block number 130. Here you have to use the code G01, but it is not necessary to mention again it, because G01 is a model function. Instead of writing G01, you can just write the value of Z coordinates, Z minus 60, end of the block. Then retract the tool again to the point F during the block number 140 N140 G00 X36 Z2, end of the block. Now your tool is at point F. Then from F to the fourth cut, here you can achieve the diameter 26 by giving the depth of cut 1 millimeter. So move the tool to the point K, that is N150 G01 X26 F200, end of the block. And for turning operation, move the tool along the Z axis, that is N160 Z minus 60, end of the block. Means in this, during this block, from block number N50 to block number 160, all the machining operations are performed as shown in figure. Is it okay? Then you have to close the program. You have to write the next 4 blocks as usual. That is block number N170 G00 X80 Z50, means at point M. Tool is at point M. Okay. Then next block N90, next block is N180 G28 U0 W0. Tool will be reached at its machine home position. Then next block is N190. You have to stop the machine because all the machining operations are performed. Stop the machine and coolant off. M05 means spindle off. M09 coolant off, end of the block. And last block is N200 M02, end of the program. Thus you can write the part program for steps turning operation. Is it okay? Do you understood it? Okay. Thank you.